Debt. It's a word that can make your heart race. It can feel like a weight on your shoulders. But here's the truth. Debt isn't always a bad thing. In fact, it can be a powerful tool when used wisely. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt is crucial for your financial well-being. It's about making informed choices that empower you, not hold you back. Whether you're a student dreaming big or a professional building your career, knowledge is power. This is about taking control of your finances, not letting them control you. It's about creating a future where you can achieve your goals without being weighed down by unnecessary burdens. Are you ready to take charge? Let's dive in. Good debt is an investment in your future. It's about using borrowed money to create opportunities and build a stronger financial foundation. Think of it as a stepping stone to reach your goals faster. One prime example is a student loan. It might seem daunting now, but investing in your education can lead to higher earning potential down the line. Similarly, a mortgage can help you own a home, building equity and creating stability. These are calculated risks that can yield significant rewards over time. The key is to ensure the potential return outweighs the cost of borrowing. Remember, good debt should open doors, not close them. Bad debt, on the other hand, does exactly what its name suggests. It drains your resources and hinders your progress. This type of debt offers little to no return and often comes with high interest rates that can quickly spiral out of control. Credit card debt is a classic example. Those impulse purchases and unpaid balances can accumulate quickly, leaving you with a mountain of interest charges. Payday loans, with their exorbitant interest rates, are another trap to avoid at all costs. Bad debt keeps you stuck in a cycle of repayments, making it harder to save, invest, and achieve your financial goals. It's like running a race with a heavy weight dragging you down. Spotting the difference. Good versus bad. So, how do you distinguish between good debt and bad debt? Ask yourself these questions. What am I borrowing for? Is it an investment in your future or just short-term gratification? What is the interest rate? Lower interest rates make debt more manageable in the long run. Can I afford the repayments? Be realistic about your income and expenses. Remember, good debt creates value, while bad debt depletes it. Make informed decisions and prioritize borrowing for assets that appreciate in value over time. Taking control. Tips for debt management. Managing debt effectively is crucial for financial peace of mind. Here are some practical tips to help you stay on top of your finances. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize high-interest debt. Focus on paying down debt with the highest interest rates first. Negotiate with lenders. Don't hesitate to contact your creditors and explore options for lower interest rates or payment plans. Seek professional advice. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. Remember, small steps can lead to significant progress. The key is to be proactive and consistent in your efforts. Your financial freedom, a journey worth taking. Taking control of your debt is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. It's about empowering yourself to create a brighter future. Don't let debt define you. Instead, use your understanding of good debt and bad debt to make informed decisions that propel you forward. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial destiny. Start today. Take those small steps. Celebrate each milestone. Your financial freedom is worth fighting for, and I believe in your ability to achieve it.